Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I don't know how I missed this one. I've even talked about it. It's kind of funny. But I was kind of pissed when I saw the run up here, and I totally missed this. This is KOSS. This is another one of the, I call them GameStop short squeeze. One of the ones that's been on the run. But I don't know how I missed this one. I mean, this has just been trading flat here for quite some time. Even if you bought it in here, or even at the $10 level, you'd have made a killing. I just can't believe the run that this one has been on, up to $90, we'll call it, within a matter of days. It's just insane. But I totally missed this one, totally missed the action on this one. As you follow my channel, I just released an AMC video tonight, BlackBerry. Another GameStop, Naked last night, Naked Brands, that's had a ton of views on it. I'm going to be watching Naked, KOSS, that sounds bad, watching Naked, watching the Naked stock, let me rephrase that, for all you people out there that take that the wrong way, that's all good, so I like a good laugh, but ones I'm going to be watching tomorrow is AMC, KOSS, BlackBerry, and Naked Brands, and this one too, but I think the run on this one might be done. But if you don't know what this one is, it is in the design, manufacture, and sale of stereo headphones and accessories. It provides products include wireless ear clip over-the-ear and on-ear headphones. You might actually even be wearing those right now as you're listening to this, or out on a jog or whatever, but this has been around since 1971, been kind of a piece of crap stock, a POS if you will, 112 million market cap, so the stock hasn't done anything for quite some time. You can see it was even below $1 here and just kind of never recovered, just slowly went up penny by penny until here lately, but wow, that's just crazy. The best stocks in the past week: AMC rides Wall Street bets wave. Best performing stocks in the past week include KOSS, GameStop, AMC, Novax, Moderna, Virgin Galactic, Bed Bath & Beyond I'm covering KOSS now. I've covered GameStop a couple times and more. Stocks fell on Friday and finished sharply lower amid the continued retail trading frenzy on Wall Street, particularly in the names such as GameStop and AMC. And Bed Bath & Beyond was a fun one also. Online trading app Robinhood has imposed trading limits on 50 stocks, including GameStop. And so I would really be watching that tomorrow if you're trading on them. As I've said in past videos, if you're looking for a different platform, go ahead and use my links in the description, whether it be M1 Finance. I really wouldn't suggest trading on that, but you can trade on Webull, Moomoo, Firstrade, Dough. I'm really starting to like DOUGH is a nice one. A little bit more technical than Robinhood, but a pretty good platform. Here are some of the best stocks in the past week by performance and percentage change at the close of trading. And I mean, we got KOSS here increased 1,816%, and yeah, this is dated on the 31st. That must have got cut off trading on January 2nd. But anyway, back to the list. The first one is KOSS. It has an increase of 1,816%. If you have any of these throughout the list, it'd be interesting to know in the comments if you are keeping them, or if you sold, or how many shares you had, or whatever info you want to provide would be really interesting. So this shares doubled in the past Tuesday on top of an 80% leap Monday. Next is GameStop increase. We'll just call it 400%. And who knows what it'll do tomorrow. Traded with a $25 billion market value this past Wednesday as retail investors continue to push the video game retailer that has disappointed in past quarterly reports into record highs. Next we got AMC. I got in on some of the AMC action. It was up over 270, we'll call it 278. As looking to raise even more capital through yet another stock sale as it seeks to take advantage of the week's Reddit fuel shared price rally. I'm going to be watching this one tomorrow too, as well as BlackBerry. Novavax, I've been hearing a lot about this one, increased 74%. Even through the CV-19 vaccine candidate is less effective against South African variant. Vaxart, I haven't heard of this one, I guess, increased, we'll call it 68%. Started the week as strong stocks under $10 stock, but has now surpassed $10. Workhorse I have, if you follow my channel, I've got a couple Workhorse videos. I've been holding that since June or July. Increased 46%. And other electric vehicle companies were rising after Biden released the EV plan. As you follow my channel, I've covered NIO, Tesla quite a few times, Li Auto, Xpeng. They're all good companies. I'll be holding those all for the long term. I just did a Lucid video tonight. CCIV is the ticker. I would be watching that one tomorrow if they make an announcement on the merger. Moderna has also increased 32.16. That's an interesting one to look at. I think that was a really cheap stock about a year ago, and it's just gone through the roof in 2020. Virgin Galactic's had a nice run here as of lately, up 29%. Was downgraded to neutral from positive by Susquehanna Price with a $32 price target. Also, Abu Dhabi's sovereign wealth fund, Mabudala Investment, reduced its stake in the company to 11.8 million shares, or 5%, from 14.9 shares to or 7%. Definitely one to watch. A really interesting. I covered it once on a video. It's pretty interesting company. Beyond Meat, I've never really talked about. It's up 26%. A lot of people like it. Jim Cramer said the Pepsi deal with Beyond Meat was one of the top gainers on Tuesday. I was going to do a video about that. I'm a real big Pepsi fan. Got a couple shares of Pepsi and Coke, of course, but didn't get that one done with all the action with GameStop and all the other ones going on. So Bed Bath & Beyond was another fun one, 17%. Ran it up and closed that one out. I'd had that one in an IRA. It was such a good feeling to get rid of that one. So I shouldn't say that was kind of like equivalent to like dumping a bad relationship or a spouse. If you know the feeling, that's what that one feels like, to get rid of that one. But not saying I won't continue trading it if it takes a dip and goes back up. We'll have to see. So but that one had a double downgrade. And next, Fuel Cell, I've covered that a couple times and increased 14.5%. That's a stock that I really like. SunPower, if you follow my channel, I'm into all kinds of solar with Biden and everything. That was up 14.4%. I sold my FUBU on Friday, made a nice profit. That was up 12%. I'm going to be watching that one. Western Digital, I kind of forgot about that one. I think that's in the 5G space. I don't remember the price on that one. That was even up 11%. Abbott Laboratories increased, we'll call it 10%. I've never really followed Abbott. But that's kind of the ones that ran up. This is Reddit. Kind of some talk going on about KOSS. These are all the stocks that Robinhood blocked. Like I said, if you're trading on Robinhood tomorrow, I'd really watch it. I'm sure they're going to be limited. They're going to be watching all of these. GameStop, KOSS, AMC, Nokia's another one to watch. BlackBerry, Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm not sure what that one is. Genius Brands, American Airlines, and Naked Brands. And Webull, Robinhood's holding company, announced that GME, AMC, and KOSS are no longer restricted. So it looks like you can use Webull as a backup. This is a definite lesson to everybody out there just trading on one platform, whether it be Robinhood or whatever. This will kind of show you how important it is to have multiple brokerages to trade on, and hopefully you have money set aside in each one of those, so it doesn't take time to clear, because you can't sit around and wait on all these here in this list, the way the action is going. So just heads up, so you're not losing money, so you keep your money and make more money. That's what it's all about. So, and not too much for ratings on this one, but just wanted to do a quick rundown on KOSS. I totally missed this one. I'm kind of pissed about that, but that had just an amazing run up, about 3,600% from this spot to right there. That's wow. But anyway, can't get them all. So if you had this one, KOSS, that'd be really interesting to know if you bought it somewhere in here or less, or I mean, even if you paid $10 for it, you made a killing as long as you got rid of it. But even if you had bought it for 10 and still have it here at the 60, you've made a killing. But that's it for KOSS. I might have one or two more coming out tonight. It's hard to say. Go ahead and hit that like button for me. That would really help out the channel. Go ahead and watch my other videos. I released AMC tonight and several other penny stocks. BlackBerry, GameStop, CCIV, which is Lucid Capital, Churchill Capital, one to watch tomorrow, as well as Naked Brands. So that's it for tonight. I thank you for all the support and watching my videos. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.